Hello everyone, welcome. If you are new, please consider subscribing. My name is Yadi and I make educational videos for beauty professionals in training and for those who like to continue learning. You guys, in today's video, we are going to be doing a cosmetology practice test number 9. This will be a 25 question and answer test that hopefully will help you prepare for your state board exam. Please be sure to read your textbook for more information on each subject. Information is not limited to the one shown in this video. If you found the information helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend. With that being said, let's get started and good luck on your exam. Number 1. The apex refers to what part of the head? A. Side. B. Front. C. Top. D. Bottom. The answer is C. Top. Number 2. When cutting graduation, higher projection or elevation angles create A. Texture. B. High graduation. C. Low graduation. D. Weight. The answer is B. High graduation. Number 3. Texturizing reduces bulk without A. Adding mobility. B. Softening the ends. C. Shortening the overall appearance of length. D. Adding closeness. The answer is C. Without shortening the overall appearance of length. Number 4. Which area of the head should you avoid thinning the hair? A. Interior. B. Exterior. C. Crest. D. Hairline. The answer is D. Hairline. Number 5. High graduation creates A. Maximum transparency. B. Medium transparency. C. Low transparency. D. No transparency. The answer is A. Maximum transparency. Number 6. Which of the following terms identifies lines that subdivide shapes or sections to help distribute and control the hair? A. Triangles. B. Partings. C. Distributions. D. Holding. The answer is B. Partings. Number 7. What is the area called on which a roller, thermal iron, round brush is placed? A. Circle. B. Form. C. Top. D. Base. The answer is D. Base. Number 8. The base control that result in maximum volume and maximum base strength is called A. On base, full base. B. Off base. C. Half off base, half base. D. Under directed. The answer is A. On base, which is full base. Number 9. Which base control involves holding the hair 90 degrees from the center of the base? A. On base. B. Under directed. C. Half off base. D. Medium base. The answer is C. Half off base. Number 10. Always feed the ends of the hair all the way through the curling iron to avoid crimped or A. indentation ends, B. fish hook ends, C. split ends, D. volume effect. The answer is B. fish hook ends. Number 11. The three-strand over braid is also known as the French braid or the A. interlocked braid, B. invisible braid, C. visible braid, D. knotted braid. The answer is B. invisible braid. Number 12. The tone of a hair color can be described as A. mild, medium, or strong, B. light, medium, or dark, C. warm, cool, or neutral, D. bright, shiny, or dull. The answer is C. warm, cool, or neutral. Number 13. If the hair accepts color easily, it has A. resistant porosity, B. poor porosity, C. average porosity, D. extreme porosity. The answer is C. average porosity. Number 14. Which color products are available but their use is discouraged? A. temporary colors, B. metallic and compound dyes, C. semi-permanent colors, D. off-the-scalp lighteners. The answer is B. metallic and compound dyes. Number 15. Permanent hair colors are mixed with A. hydrogen peroxide, B. shampoo, C. conditioners, D. metallic dyes. The answer is A. hydrogen peroxide. Number 16. What base toner would be used to produce a neutral blonde on a pre-lightened pale yellow hair? A. yellow, B. violet, C. gold, D. white. The answer is B. violet. Number 17. If redness and swelling were found around the test area when performing a predisposition test, which of the following steps should not be taken? A. Have the client seek medical assistance. B. Ask the client how they are feeling. C. Proceed with the service. D. Stop the service. The answer is C. Do not proceed with the service. Number 18. The alkalinity of cold waves causes the hair fibers to soften and A. swell, B. shrink, C. become brittle, D. become acidic. The answer is A. swell. Number 19. Acidic perms are in the pH range of A. 7.9 to 8.2, B. 5.9 to 6.2, C. 6.9 to 7.2, D. 4.9 to 5.2. The answer is C. 6.9 to 7.2. Number 20. Sodium hydroxide relaxers have an alkaline pH of A. 11.5 to 14, B. 5 to 6.5, C. 8.5 to 10, D, 6.5 to 8. The answer is A, 11.5 to 14. Number 21, sodium hydroxide relaxers are also known as A, base chemical relaxers, B, thiorelaxers, C, lye relaxers, D, no lye relaxers. The answer is C, lye relaxers. Number 22, which ingredient is found in the stronger of the two most commonly used chemical relaxers? A, hydrogen peroxide, B, sodium hydroxide, C, bisulfate, D, potassium. The answer is B, sodium hydroxide. Number 23, ammonium thioglycolate relaxers have a pH of A, 10.5 to 11.5, B, 4.5 to 5.5, C, 8.5 to 9.5, D, 6.5 to 7.5. The answer is C, 8.5 to 9.5. Number 24, rearrangers are used during a curl reformation process to reduce or relax the natural curl pattern. What is the main ingredient found in rearrangers? Is it A, glycerol monothioglycolate, B, ammonium thioglycolate, C, hydrogen peroxide, D, sodium hydroxide? The answer is B, ammonium thioglycolate. Number 25, the function of a curl activator is to provide moisture and A, protect the hairline, B, further straighten hair, C, prevent frizziness, D, help retain shape of a new curl configuration. The answer is D, help retain shape of a new curl configuration. All right, you guys, that is it for this video. I hope you're finding all of this information helpful. Thank you so much for watching and listening. If you are new, don't forget to consider subscribing, share, like. Let me know in the comments what you think. Are you nervous? Are you excited? Are you ready to get this test out of the way? Hey, whatever it is, just try to be calm, do the best you can, and I am sure all will be well. You guys, let's keep going, let's keep growing, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.